everybody. Good morning. Thank you for being so patient and waiting. We had so many things to set up today. We're very excited to see you here at the Wehr Nature Center. And the park that we're in is called Whitnall Park. Yeah? So, we have a really great lake.
Those are turtles? Yep, they're sunning themselves. There's one fish. There's lots of fish. There's three. What is it? It's not a duck. You can make a picture of it right over here. And there's a huge bird flying up there. Oh, I bet it's a hawk. So far, I think. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, so cute. What did you guys see? What is that? What is that? A lot of work. What did you guys see in the microscope? It's a double shell. A single shell. Now we're going to put it right next to it.
So what can you tell me about it?